The numbers don't whisper, sigaw sila. Noong 2020, ang aming utang ay 9.8 trilyon. Today, 17.2 bilyong piso na. That's 7.5 trillion pesos gone. Sayang, sinayang. Every Filipino, kahit newborn sa crib, carries 150,000 pesos na utang bago pa man sila umiyak. 1 in every 4 pesos of our budget? Not for schools, not for hospitals, not for jobs. Para lang sa interest payments. This is not just corruption. Ito ay generational theft. Our children are being born debt slaves, mga anak na ipinapanganak na alipin ng utang. Silence today means surrender tomorrow. Debt is not just numbers. Ito na ang chain sa leeg natin. Ang lock sa future nila. Break it now, bago pa tayo ang mabasag nito.